up? So today, guys, on the Cicada channel, as you know, we kind of live in cicada country. Every 17 years there's a breed of cicadas that come out, and there's a lot of them. Yep, and that's one just emerging. Ooh, look at that boy. Ooh, here's another one emerging. Ooh, ooh, that one just emerged. Look at him. Oh, got some gloop coming out. Get away. Ant's got it.
Oh, there's a nymph emerging.
Where?
Right there.
Right where?
Oh, from the...
Oh, yeah, right there. Right there, right there. Oh, you can hear one. Oh, right there. Look over here. Holes everywhere. It looked like a line.
Well, they feed on the roots of trees.
Well, yeah.
17 years.
The one over here.
Yeah, the ones over here are crazy.
That's trying to see.
Also, you want to keep moving your feet because
he has shoes on, he doesn't have bare feet.
yeah, but still,
We have sandals.
yeah, because they might think you're a tree. But that's all of them. And look up.
Look up.
And look up. And they're all just up there.
Just keep going.
Yeah. But yeah, but they're all over the ground too. Look. They're all the cicadas that are coming out of the ground. Except for that one. That one's an adult.